Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 2 and questions are 2, 3 and 4. As you know, in the previous video, I have solved question 1, okay, completely, because there were the questions of addition and subtraction as a part of first question. Now, we will solve these questions. So, all these questions are regarding addition and subtraction only. So these are very easy, okay, and hopefully take some interest in these questions. Now, before we start, I want to tell you something regarding addition and subtraction, and it's very important for your general knowledge also. See, what is the addition? Addition means when two or more numbers are brought together. It is called addition. Suppose we want to add 2 and 3. It means 2 and 3 both are brought together. Maybe there is another number, okay? So this is called addition. But there are certain names. Some names are given to these numbers. What are these? This 2 and 3 both are called addend. These are called addend. And this is the sum. The answer, which is called sum. Okay, so remember, when you add 2 and 3, these numbers are called addend mathematically, and this is the sum. So this is the basic concept of addition. Now, what is subtraction? If someone asks you that what is subtraction, what will be your answer? Generally you will say that sir, 5 minus 2 is subtraction. Okay, not like that. You can't say that this is a subtraction. So what is the definition of subtraction? Okay, see, the subtraction means process of taking away. Process of taking away is called subtraction. Now, what is the meaning of this? Suppose you have 10 rupees and you give 2 rupees to your younger sister. Okay, you have 10 rupees and you give 2 rupees to your younger sister. Means 2 is taken away from 10. इसका मतलब 2 को हम 10 से हटा रहे हैं, ठीक है? जो टोटल 10 है उसमें से हम 2 को अलग करके 2 को सेपरेट कर रहे हैं. सो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट विल बी 8 रुपीज. ओके, सपोज 10 चॉकलेट्स और 10 रुपीज वॉट एवर. अगर आपके पास 10 चॉकलेट्स हैं और अगर आपने अपने सिस्टर को उसमें से 2 चॉकलेट दी हैं, इट मीन्स 2 chocolates are taken away and you are left with 8 chocolates. Again, both these numbers have some particular name. What is that? It is called minuend. Okay, it is called minuend, minuend, and it is called subtrahend. subtrahend. And what is this? This is called difference. Okay, this is called difference. So minuend minus subtrahend equals difference. So these are the basic concepts and some terms related to addition and subtraction. Students, if you want to know something, you can pause the video, or you can pause the video and take a screenshot from your mobile phone. Okay, now we solve the questions. second question, add the following. First part, 8, 7, 2, 5 and 9, 0, 7. So when you want to add, when you have to add both these numbers, you can write either one number, this one or this one, no problem. So write this number in this way. As you can see, it has 4 digits and it has only 3 digits. So how to write these 3 digits? Start from here or somewhere else, from somewhere else, okay? See, these 3 digits are written below this number in the columns, but the number is justified to the right hand side. What is the meaning? See, हमने पहले ये नंबर लिखा है, ओके? अब इसके नीचे हमें ये नंबर लिखना है, तो क्या हम इस तरह से लिखेंगे? नो, इस नंबर को राइट में शिफ्ट करके लिखेंगे. सो इट इज कॉल्ड राइट जस्टिफाइड. अगेन you can start from right hand side. 709, so write 709. Simple. Put a plus sign and draw a line. Now below this line you will write answer. 5 plus 7, 12. We will write 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Then 7 plus 9, 16. 1 carry and 1 plus 8, 9. So this is the answer. Okay. And so this one is finished. Now I solve other part of this question. I take third part. Okay. So the number is 5113. Next is 1999 and next is 638. As you can see, both these numbers have 4 digits, so not a problem. But the last number is 3 digits, 638. So this number should be written below these numbers. Now start writing from this side, 836. Okay, start from right side, 836. Draw a line and put a plus sign. Now add this, 3 plus 9, 12. Then 12 plus 8, 20. We will write 0 and 2 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. We write 5, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 7, 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. And plus 1, 7. So let's take it again. Okay, this answer is correct. Now I have solved 2 parts of second question and you will solve the remaining parts. I will give you in the homework. Third question. What is the third question? It is about subtraction. So there is a very important thing. What is that? I tell you. Question is subtract 840 from 3944. So listen carefully. One number is written before from. This is the word from. एक नंबर फ्रॉम के पहले लिखा है और एक नंबर बाद में लिखा है. आपको पहले वो नंबर लिखना है जो फ्रॉम के बाद लिखा है. करेक्ट. फ्रॉम के बाद वाला नंबर आपको पहले लिखना है. इट विल बी योर माइन्यूएंड. एज आई टोल्ड यू एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वीडियो, फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड माइन्यूएंड, अदर इज कॉल्ड सबट्रेंड. सो फ्रॉम के बाद वाला नंबर पहले लिखेंगे और पहले वाला बाद में लिखेंगे. सो इट इज 840. ओके, वी राइट 840. put a minus sign, draw a line. You will write your answer below this line. 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, and 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 8, 1, and it is 3. So the answer is 3104. Okay, now I solve other part of this question. I solve fourth part. Okay, so fourth part is Okay, leave it. Leave the fourth part. I solve third part. It is written that 4999 from 6000. So from the rule, the number which is written after from, it is after from. So we will write this number first, and this number is written below this number. So it is minuend, it is subtrahend, and the answer will be the difference. Now you can see that 0 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to take borrow, but again here it is 0, हम borrow नहीं ले सकते, यहाँ भी 0 है तो हम borrow नहीं ले सकते, तो हम यहाँ से एक borrow लेंगे 6 से, and it becomes 5, then it will become 10, but we will give one borrow to that number, that digit, so it becomes 9. Now it becomes 10, but we will give one borrow to the next digit, so it will become 9 and it becomes 10. Listen again. This is 6000. हम 0 से 9 separate करना चाहते हैं, but it is not possible. So मैं इस 0 से एक borrow इसको देना होगा, but it is 0 means nothing. It is also 0. So हम यहाँ से एक borrow लेंगे तो ये 5 होगा. अब इससे जो बोरो लिया था वो हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो 10 बनेगा, बट यहाँ से भी हमें एक बोरो इसमें देना पड़ेगा तो ये होगा 9. नाउ इट इज 10, बट फिर से हमें एक बोरो नेक्स्ट डिजिट को देना होगा तो इट बिकम्स 9 एंड इट बिकम्स 10. नाउ 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 0, this becomes 0, and 5 minus 4 1. So check it again. Okay, this is answer 1001. So I told you how to add and how to subtract two or more numbers. So you will use these concepts and will solve the questions given in your homework. Okay students, best of luck.